friends, my name is Shaurya Patel. I am in the robotic arm at RoboFunLab Ahmedabad using pneumatics kit. The components of this robotic arm are valves, pipes, cylinders, manometers, pumps, air tanks, gears, J-beams, beams, and many more. I have made this robotic arm in such a way that when I pump this pump up and then when it shows here about 30 psi, I would open each valve and the robotic arm would perform different operations to pick up and drop this brick. Now, let me show you a demo. Now, as it is about 30 psi, I would use this to perform different operations.